Hello guys, welcome to yet another beautiful episode of English Talks. So in this episode, we are going to discuss a beautiful technique to improve your English communication skill, and that is JAM technique. Oops, I'm so sorry. That's not what I mean. JAM. JAM is a technique that you can use to improve your speaking skill. One can use this technique to improve your fluency in English by spending just a few minutes a day. The advantage of this technique is that you can use this technique with or without a partner. Come on, let's see, what is JAM? JAM is a fluency game based on a show that airs on BBC Radio. The reason why it is called as JAM is it is the short form of just a minute, JAM. The contestants would speak on a given subject for 1 minute without hesitation, deviation, or repetition. Over 800 episodes later, this program has deserved popularity around the world and is wonderfully adaptable to improving one's speaking ability. So that means you are going to play a game, and that too to improve your English fluency. Wow, that's interesting, right? Yes. By the end of this video, you would have learned how JAM can actually aid in improving 3 skills for you. Number 1, your ability to organize your thought flow. 2, your ability to apply logic. And 3, your general speaking skills. You know something? Most recruiters use JAM technique in the interview session as their first round to screen candidates. I know you're familiar with the famous question, "Tell me about yourself," right? Yes, that itself is a JAM question. It tests your flow of thoughts, your ability to organize ideas, spontaneity, communication skill, and also your confidence level. Remember, the technique that we are going to discuss right now is not at all a replica of BBC game show, because this game has 3 stages. Stage number 1 is you will be given a topic of your choice or your partner's choice. For example, your favorite sports, your favorite hobbies, your best vacation, the movie you watched recently, and also any current affairs topic of your choice or your partner's choice. There are certain rules that you need to follow. The first rule is you cannot stop speaking. You must continue talking for the 1 minute. You can breathe, that's okay, but you cannot pause for more than 3 seconds. Sometimes you will never get some words to speak. You can use gap fillers, no problem. Some gap fillers like, "Wow, this is indeed an interesting topic, blah 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 blah." One thing I absolutely love the most is dash. When thinking about dash, the first image which comes into my mind is when thinking about movie, when thinking about sports, when thinking about anything. That will be your topic, right? Yes, you can use gap fillers, and always keep some gap fillers ready with you when you talk to someone. All right, yes. The ultimate objective is just to keep talking and talking. That is rule number 1. Rule number 2 is you cannot repeat the same ideas. Rule number 3 is no writing allowed in between. You must concentrate on speaking. So, as a beginner, you sometimes struggle to get some words and sentences. You speak anything, even if it is rubbish or not pertaining to the topic. Just forget about the BBC format at the beginning, because your only intention is to improve your speaking skill. Speak about anything. If nothing is coming in your mind, just say, "My God, I'm not getting anything. My goodness, what will I say?" It's okay, you say so, no problem. Into the stage 2. This is the stage where we start building our fluency. See, this is purely my version of JAM, okay? Yes. So, I have divided this into 2 parts. You write your own script without any reference, and after writing, start speaking for 1 minute without any break. You will be much better when compared to the previous level for sure, right? Yes, into the stage 3. You can refer some websites, some books, so you can collect information from anywhere possible, okay? Write a script, get ready, speak for 1 minute. You will understand that you can improve your vocabulary, your sentence construction will be improved, and also your language will also be improved, right? Yes. So speak again. As your fluency improves, you can talk for more than 1 minute. And I have a bonus tip for you. Record yourself just to see the flaws. You can listen back and understand what all improvements you need to make. You can save them and see your improvement over days. And I always suggest you, please make it a habit to practice this thing daily. If it's possible, daily, or else at least 3 to 4 times in a week. Because the more you practice, the more you will be familiarized with any language. Just forget about English. When you try to learn something new in your life, just try to practice as many number of times as possible. Only then your approach towards that language will be changed. So I can assure you this method is one of the finest methods available to improve your English fluency and also your communication skill. Just try this method and please let us know how it works for you. If you like this channel, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe our channel by selecting that all button there. And see you soon in the next episode with some interesting topics. Till then, ta-ta, take care, goodbye.